Rock climbing empowers me because I find that it takes enthusiasm, determination and perseverance for me to reach the top. And whenever the adrenaline comes in, I know I can overcome my limits. And I climb to the top to see a better view of the world.
Kasih sayang daripada ibu bapa saya. Saya menganggap mereka sebagai wira di dalam hati saya kerana mereka selalu berada di sisi saya apabila saya menghadapi sebarang masalah. Mereka juga membantu saya membangkitkan semangat perjuangan saya untuk mencapai matlamat hidup saya.
My courage always empowers me. It's being able to step out of my comfort zone and just go for it. The best things done are always unplanned because it shows the real you. It gives you the feeling of excitement and rush like, oh my god, did I just do that all by myself?
Muzik yang memberikan saya semangat. Pada saya, muzik ini bagi kegembiraan kepada semua orang, termasuk saya. Bila saya main trumpet, saya rasa terhibur dan secara tidak langsung, muzik menceriakan saya.
My education empowers me to work hard, stay strong and push forward. It empowers me to work hard for my dreams.
The success of others empowers me. Whenever I'm at the lowest point in my life, I will look to the incredible people and say, if they can do it, so can I.